How to clear cache on BeReal. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear cache on BeReal. First open BeReal and then click on your profile here in the top corner, and after that click these 3 points here and then scroll down until you find other, and then click clear cache. Here you will find it, or you can go to settings and then apps. Just scroll and you will find apps, then apps again, and then type here BeReal. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.